Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and I love everything to do with scrapbooking. Today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to make your own holiday scrapbook. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. So to create our cover, we're going to use this beautiful decoupage atlas paper. And I'm just going to cut it down to size of our cover. I'm going to add this to the cover using a glue stick. Once I've done that, I'm now jazzing this up slightly with these gold glitter thick stickers on a background of paper. I'm going to spell out the word travel across the cover in the centre. It looks much better already. The next thing I'm going to do is add these chipboard stamp stickers which feature lots of different countries. I'm sticking these all around the edges at different angles. They're super fun and maybe you'll get to visit all of these places. Now our cover is all complete, we'll move on to decorating the inside. So I'm starting on the left hand page and I'm going to simply start by breaking the paper in half with a ripped sheet of brown paper. This will give some contrast against the white paper. I'm going to use the same paper that we used on the cover to stick on the other page. These pages will mostly consist of photos, so I've printed mine off in various sizes. I'm just going to play around with the placement until I'm happy with the layout. I'm also leaving a small gap in the bottom right corner of this page to create a title. I'm sticking my photos down with my glue stick again and leaving a few gaps between each photo. With some of the card we used earlier for the base, I'm going to cut out a tag shape and glue that down just underneath my photos. I have some different thick stickers here, so I'm going to scatter the name of my travel spot over the tag. To add to the dimensions even more, I've got some Scrabble letters here too, so on the opposite page I'm going to spell out the word travel. I've tilted a few letters to make it fun. And the last embellishments I'm going to add are these little speckled gems. They're adhesive, so no glue needed. As you can see, we've still got a little bit of blank space around the page, so I'm adding a very simple touch of some dashed lines, almost like a map trail.